I'm Natasha Chelmy, chef and cookbook author, and I've been using Häfele Appliances for a long time. I love their ovens, their hobs, their chimney. It's user-friendly, super efficient, and the food is delicious. Steam your vegetables in the steam oven. It retains the nutritional value, keeps the food fresh, and it tastes delicious. The Häfele cooker hoods, they're silent, they absorb smell, and they look oh so elegant. Hobs in my kitchen, they look aesthetically very nice. They reach a high temperature, so excellent for Indian cooking and easy to maintain.